You're an architect and business is booming, but competition is fierce. We're going to see explosive growth in the number of public projects that'll be designed over the next decade. Building projects abound. Cities, counties, colleges, universities, states, even the federal government. The cash to fund the design of these projects is flowing, and it's going to be a boon for architects. But you're not the only architect to make this observation, and the competition to win these design contracts will be a battle royale between you and your competitors. If you're watching this video, we're guessing you either own an architectural design firm, or you're an associate architect, project architect, or marketing professional that works for a design firm and is looking for that edge, that one missing piece you need to get over the hump and win that project. You need an edge, and that's where Preswerx comes in. We're your missing puzzle piece. Here at Preswerx, we know architecture. Our principals have been in the AEC industry for a long time. Here's what we've observed. To win projects, architects are faced with the unique challenge of having to wow their prospective clients without diverting too much of their staff's time from billable projects towards these more speculative pursuits. Architecture is a professional services industry, and every minute of your staff's time that's spent chasing the next project is one less minute of time they're billing to paying clients. You chase a project, come up short, and when the dust settles, everyone huddles up in the conference room. You start second-guessing the time you and your staff spent chasing that project. You reflect on the loss, and you ask yourself, why do we keep coming up short? You did the upfront work, you met with the owner, but you didn't win. Heck, you might not even have gotten shortlisted. I mean, you get the idea. We've all been there. There's a simple reason you didn't win. There are gaps in your approach. It's okay, you're not alone. Every design firm has these gaps. Your principal and project architects are running around dealing with more important things, like designing buildings, making sure your teams are billable, and your paying clients are happy. And your in-house marketing professionals, well, they're busy juggling a long list of other initiatives, like managing and building the company's brand, or maintaining the company's presence on social media. Like a neglected puppy, everyone is focused on everything but the creation of that proposal book. And although that's normal, it's costing you a fortune in lost opportunity. And when your team does manage to finally come together to get the proposal book done, it doesn't contain or communicate the deep technical design approach that's often required to get shortlisted and win. More critically, there's no sizzle. That is to say, the visuals in your proposal book leave a lot to be desired. Maybe your staff didn't have the time to create those high-impact visuals, or maybe you made a conscious decision to leave them out. Or maybe you don't have the capability to create those visuals in-house. Any of those reasons are understandable. Problem is, your proposal book turns into a real snooze fest for the selection committee. Enter Preswerx. Remember, we're your knights in shining armor. No more copy-pasting from your last proposal book. No more bland massing studies. We're going to work with the principal and project architects at your firm and with your in-house marketing professionals to create compelling, project-specific proposal books. We'll investigate and analyze the details of the program of the project that you're chasing, your prospective client's vision, their design guidelines, their budget, everything. And we'll work directly with your team to create a highly technical, visually stimulating, and interactive proposal book that speaks specifically to the needs of your prospective client and their project. The selection committee will go from dozing off to gushing over your proposal book. Once you're shortlisted, we'll work with you to create a dynamite presentation. We're going to lead the presentation preparation and rehearsal process, working hand in hand with your principal and project architects, and with your in-house marketing professionals. We'll create a jaw-dropping presentation. Seriously, you've never seen anything like it. We're going to be there with you in your office, coaching up your design team on how best to deliver the presentation. We're going to turn your low-impact presentation into an interactive and memorable experience for the folks you're presenting to. And here's what's really cool. Preswerx has an arsenal of technology at your disposal in delivering the presentation. We can roll into presentations with multiple high-definition TVs, virtual and augmented reality headsets, and other devices that will give you a distinct advantage when delivering your presentation. While your competitors are delivering their presentation on a dinky decades-old projector and screen, you'll be delivering your presentation using the technology of tomorrow. That's our secret sauce. Better technical, visually stimulating, and interactive proposal books and presentations. Better presentation training. And better technology. Call us, hire us, and let's go win some projects.